Builderall affiliate program review. So this week I'm going to talk about one of my favorite affiliate programs of all time, Builderall. And they're about to do the launch of Builderall 6.0, so I think it's good timing. As you can see here, in total over my time as an affiliate, I've earned almost $10,000 as an affiliate for Builderall. And you may be wondering, what is Builderall if you haven't heard of it? It is an all-in-one marketing tool. I think of it mostly as a funnel builder, landing page builder, and it also has an email marketing platform. And they've added a lot of tools over the years, but that's basically what it is. It's an all-in-one suite of tools for digital marketers and building websites. So let's check out the pricing. I'm not sure what the pricing is going to be after their 6.0 launch, but you can see here they have a lot of different varieties for you to offer to your audience, starting at $37 a month. It just depends on usage and which tools the people that you're promoting it to will need. The lowest comes with their Cheetah Builder, which is a pretty good landing page builder, in my opinion. They say they have 40 page building, email marketing. They have a course builder, a booking app, chatbot, funnel builder. They really try to be an all-in-one suite for digital marketing, and I think they do a pretty good job of that. I think the best audience for this, in my opinion, to promote it to is people who are kind of new to online marketing, maybe local businesses or small businesses that are just trying to get started. And one of the reasons for that is the pricing for it is a little more reasonable than some other options for like funnel builders or email marketing. And it makes Builderall a really good match for some people in various parts of the world where like ClickFunnels, for example, or Kartra or any of those other options that are similar tools, they start at $97. It can be hard for people all over the world to be able to access that. And Builderall is a very powerful tool that can do almost all of that stuff pretty well. And the lowest plan starts at $37. So I think that's the best opportunity as an affiliate, is to promote to either basically just like people who are just starting their business and showing them how to use a landing page, how to build a website, how to do email marketing. And it's nice that everything's contained in this one tool set. How to promote Builderall. In my experience, the best thing that worked for me was creating YouTube videos. And basically, you just want to go to your favorite keyword tool, type in Builderall, and find all the keywords, and then make a video for every single one of those keywords. And if you do that, then you're going to make some sales. You're definitely going to get some affiliate commissions. And I think that's a great strategy. If you want to look at somebody who does it really well, you can check out Chad Bartlett. He's been the top affiliate for Builderall at one point. Maybe he is now. He's a great affiliate and a great entrepreneur. And he has a lot of videos on how to promote Builderall. So you can see inside the affiliate portal here that they show you all your earnings and all that stuff. One feature that Builderall has is the two-tier system. So you can sign other affiliates up and earn a small portion of their commissions as well. And so I haven't promoted Builderall actively in a couple years, but I still get monthly recurring commissions every month. That's really nice. And they do have a lot of tools for promotion, which has always been something that I'm a big fan of. They have funnel showcases. They have lots of different funnels. Let's check out some of their funnels here that you can see. These are all different funnels that you can promote to your audience. So obviously you can come up with some creative ideas on how to promote all these different things. There's the home page. There's an affiliate training course that you can send people to. There's an opt-in for that. There's webinars, there's the sort of business opportunity angle, there's the funnel club, which is another offer that they have. There's an SEO funnel. There's this 200 facts and things you can do with Builderall. There's different pricing, different trials and all that stuff for all the different plans. So I've always liked that about the Builderall affiliate program. They have lots of different options. Let's check out some more funnels because this can get some good ideas going for your promotion efforts. You can promote just the Cheetah Builder, which again, in my opinion, is a pretty good landing page builder, pretty good funnel builder. There's Cheetah for WordPress. They have a whole portion of their offering that's like really geared towards WordPress hosting and stuff. So you can look into that too if you're more into the like hosting side of things. They do have some e-commerce features you can promote. Again, I wouldn't try to act like Builderall is like better than ClickFunnels or Kartra or Shopify or something, because it's not. But you can at least help people who are trying to sell their first product or get their first course online or something like that. Like people who just are getting introduced to the world of digital marketing and want a more affordable option that still has a lot of robust features. I think Builderall is a good place for that. But obviously you're not going to, pretend like Builderall is somehow better than ClickFunnels, because it's not. Mailing Boss is their email marketing platform, and it comes with every plan, I think, of Builderall. So it's pretty awesome that they give you basically what you would have to get another service for with anything else. They give it to you for free. There's a WhatsApp funnel, a checkout funnel, bots. They do a lot of SMS marketing. They've got some photo editing tools. So there's like tons of tools in Builderall. That's always been their thing. They just have lots and lots of tools, lots and lots of angles, and they leave it up to the affiliates to get creative and send people to all these different landing pages. You can promote it to like service businesses and stuff like that. They have, since they're a Brazilian company, or at least that's their roots, they have a lot of things for the Brazilian population and in Portuguese. So they have other languages. They're international friendly. So there's some opportunities there. So I still think that in 2023, it's a great affiliate program, even though I haven't promoted it in a while. I always enjoy getting those recurring commissions. And I did have a lot of fun when I was first getting started making YouTube videos and stuff like that, promoting Builderall. And so again, I think the best way to promote Builderall as an affiliate is to create content that teaches people how to use Builderall for a variety of different things. And literally, if you just want to plan to do that, just go to your favorite keyword tool, type in Builderall, and there's your ideas for videos. Just make a video about every single keyword, and eventually you'll get traffic. If you want some more help promoting Builderall as an affiliate, then if you end up signing up for Builderall through my affiliate links, so if you click on my affiliate link in the description below and you sign up for Builderall, like a paid plan through my affiliate link, then I'll see it in their back office or whatever. And I'll invite you to my weekly training and coaching for marketers, and we can talk about your strategy on how to promote Builderall, and I can actually help you on a week-to-week basis on helping you to build out your promotion strategies as an affiliate. So there's a bonus offer that I'm offering to anybody who wants to sign up for Builderall through my affiliate link. And again, that's if you end up getting a paid subscription to Builderall, if you think it's going to be a good tool for you and you want to like really learn how to use it. Because I think the best way to promote something as an affiliate overall is to actually use the product and understand like how it works and dig in and really be able to create good videos and good content and stuff like that. So if you sign up for Builderall paid plan, then as long as you're signed up, I will give you access to my weekly group coaching and training program called Nomad Labs, which is normally $9.99 a month or $97 a year. And I'll give that to you for free for signing up for Builderall through my link. So yeah, that's Builderall. It's an interesting product. I've had a good time promoting it as an affiliate, and I'd love to have you enjoy some of the success I've had as well, or hopefully even surpass everything that I've done and go on to be one of the top Builderall affiliates.